We have switched gears a little bit. One of you had suggested that we do a sew along using the pattern of the month, which is the wrap dress. And I thought we had a sew along. It turns out we do not. So we are doing a sew along tomorrow. We'll announce that. But also I wanted to show you, I'm putting up fabrics that would be great for the wrap dress. Now this wrap dress is $40.19. It works beautiful in a knit or a woven. You just have to change out the sleeve. The sizing won't even change that much, but you'll want to change out the sleeve a little bit. So let me show you these fabrics that I think will just be beautiful. This is a cotton linen jacquard. It's a beautiful piece of fabric. It's normally twice as much as what we've got it up for, but we're going to do a one-day special. They'll all be below $20 for today. So isn't that beautiful? It's just, you can see the linear lines in it, which are just really beautiful. It's a real pretty green and white, just really pretty summer. Along with the dress, you know, tunics are the thing. They're very popular right now, so we're going to take a look at tunics also. This is a cotton poly. If you want a little bit more of a jacket look, this would be beautiful. It's a very light pale yellow and white. Very pretty, beautiful selvage that you could put in also. Just a really pretty. This is 100% viscose. It's like a little sweater knit. It has stretch in one direction. Paisley. Colors are, there's a milk background, green, red. Very pretty little fabric there. Love this. This is kind of a gold and brown. Again, this is a knit. It's 100% cotton knit. It has stretch in one direction. I just think that'd be such a pretty little wrap dress. And then we have, this is a black and white, very classic in nature. 100% viscose, great drape on this, stretch in both directions. Beautiful. And that's not a white in that background, that's a milk. I say black and white, but that's more a milk. It's not a real white. And then we have this, and we've talked a lot about reversibles lately, and this is that. This is a reversible. The colors in this are black and red. You've got hearts on one side and stripes on the other side. This is 100%, it's a cotton poly, reversible, and again, under $20. So the fabrics are great just for today, under $20, all perfect for that wrap dress. And join us tomorrow. We'll announce that on our sew along. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.